Tickety boo and good are you? How are you tonight? Good, I hope. Yep. Okay. Today I'm going to cook. I'm going to cook in the air fryer. Yep, the guy that hardly cooks. Remember me? I'm going to do the old potatoes in the jacket. Old potatoes. We used to put them in alfoil and inside the coals at the fire, let them cook. Well, I'm doing it in the air fryer, and I'm going to put a bit of a twist to it. So watch me. See how it goes. This is the first time for me, so I'm learning. I'm seeing how it goes. Could be a fail. You have to watch. Okay, got the potatoes, got the alfoil. So I'm going to wrap the potatoes inside the alfoil, and then I'll place them in the air fryer basket. Now that the potatoes are wrapped up in the alfoil, the potatoes are in the jacket. I've got these strips of ham I've cut up, diced them. Well, not diced, they're just strips. This will go in the air fryer now for 25 minutes at 200 degrees. Okay, I've taken them out of the air fryer and I've cut a wedge in here. Now they seem to be pretty well cooked. I mean, that's nice and soft. Yeah, so cut a wedge in there, put the other pieces in there that I've taken out the wedges. That's the ham. It's very crispy. I didn't think it was going to be this crispy, but oh well. So what I'm going to do now is put these pieces of ham inside of here and put cheese on the top. Put it back into the air fryer at 150 for 5 minutes. Yum, yum, yum. Look at this. This looks pretty good. I mean, it's turned out all right, hasn't it? Wow. Now, I've got to cut up some chives, throw some chives on there, and some sour cream. I'll take it out of the alfoil and, yeah, dish it up. So, keep watching. Okay, here it is. It's got the sour cream, the chives, it's got the ham pieces that have been cooked on there. And I've cut this one here so you're able to see that it's nice. It's not exactly really soft, the potato, but it's edible. So, yep, that's the finished product. So I'm going to bog into this. And I've got my can of Jack Daniels here. Just wash it down with. So there you go. That's my dinner for tonight. And it was all right. I mean, it is okay. It's edible. But I don't think I'll be doing this one again. It's a lot of preparation for me, I reckon. But oh well. Like my stuff, love my stuff. Follow me. Uru. Have a good one. Bye.